In this video, I want to give you 13 benefits and features of using WP Sheets Viral and how it can help you put more money in your pocket while increasing your bottom line. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get started. First up is detailed statistics and tracking. From inside the WP Sheets Viral dashboard, you can quickly and easily track activity on your viral campaigns and see when and how much traffic has visited your pages and posts, both human and bots. You can also track at a glance the number of people that have unlocked your campaigns. Number 2, full training and video tutorials from directly inside the plugin. Save time and hassle of needing to log into a membership site to find a solution. The answers are right there at your fingertips. A real time saver. Number 3, powerful points-based system. WP Sheets Viral allows you full control over what you set as your viral content, but more importantly, the number of points a referrer must earn before the content is unlocked. Therefore, you have total control over what you set for the various viral campaigns you use it for. Some examples include competitions, contests, loyalty programs, referral rewards, and so much more. Number 4, up to 6 locks on one page or post. No other content locking plugin provides you with the power to lock up to 6 pieces of content on any page or post in one go. Its power lies in its use for unlocking levels of product free to high value, escalation of products and services, and can be used as a fantastic way to reward your top referrers. Number 5, multi-share feature. The powerful addition to WP Sheets Viral feature set allows you to link any posts or pages together so they accumulate to visitors' overall points gained by the visitors. WP Sheets Viral advanced tracking system rewards your referrer for multiple page visits, thereby helping them unlock the viral campaign even faster. If this feature is turned on for posts or pages, it links the giveaway pages together and points count across those pages to the overall visitor count. Number 6, lock posts and pages using images. Using images as locks can be very eye-catching. Use any image you like, customize the title for each lock image, link your images to any URL, affiliate offer, or anything you choose. Number 7, Facebook and Pinterest image feature. This allows you to customize and display any image that you want to be shared from the viral campaign set per post or page. This means you can create highly engaging and entertaining imagery, likely to get high click-through rates while generating more traffic to your site. Number 8, web bot functionality. WP Sheets Viral has a built-in web bot feature that can be set on per post or page. This means that a search engine like Google will index your viral campaigns and people will find it when searching online, which means for you, more free traffic, more leads, and more sales to your viral campaigns. Number 9, email notifications. Our testing has shown us that by communicating traffic statistics with referral partners, this leads to more engagement and participation in current and future viral campaigns. WP Sheets Viral has this covered. People who sign up to your viral campaigns are firstly sent a welcome email, a progress report when they reach 50% of the target points, and a confirmation email when the viral content is unlocked. Number 10, built-in list management and autoresponder service. With WP Sheets Viral, you can build an unlimited number of lists and segments from directly inside the dashboard. This is great for building lists and sending out email newsletters and value-based content to your subscribers if you don't use an alternative autoresponder service, or if you just want to get an email blast out to a segment quickly. Number 11, auto-syncing leads with most autoresponders. This is another fabulous feature of WP Sheets Viral. You can add any leads generated through your viral campaigns to any list of your choice for most of the major autoresponder providers. This means you can add them to any list, any sales funnel, other viral campaigns, or free courses that you have. The options to maximize and monetize these leads are endless. Number 12, built-in newsletter system. All leads collected can be mailed at any time from directly inside the WP dashboard, making this process simple and easy. WP Sheets Viral uses the clever built-in newsletter system and allows you to schedule your newsletter when you like. And last of all, number 13, and that's full subscriber control. Any person that signs up to any viral campaign can be notified about their progress in regards to the unlocking of viral content they are seeking. They can also unsubscribe at any time from these notifications via the built-in shortcodes. So there you have it. 13 benefits and features of using WP Sheets Viral that will help put more money in your pocket while building your subscriber list. Go ahead and scroll down and view the details on this page and pick up your copy of WP Sheets Viral today.